Did you know that the smell of rain is called petrichor? The term petrichor refers to the distinctive earthy scent that arises when rain falls on dry soil. The word is derived from the Greek words petra, meaning stone, and ichor, which is the fluid that flows in the veins of the gods in Greek mythology. The phenomenon of petrichor is attributed to the release of oils emitted by certain plants during dry periods, which are then absorbed by the soil. When rain finally arrives, these compounds are released into the air, creating the characteristic and pleasing aroma.